Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you. Look at the butter.
Wow. I love it. Blueberry sushi, huh?
Blueberry sushi. I'm gonna put this tag on. What? How's that making it lighter?
So you need 60 grams of rice. Is that a lot?
We're so close.
It's not very much, eh?
So exact. Look. Oh. We're
so close.
Okay, guys, let's put it
So just so you know, when you cook it, it gets fluffier. You get more rice. But, you know, that's about one serving for one person.
Okay, because do we need this much?
Yeah, that much. Cabbage rolls. Cut it in half. We have rice inside too. See? Yummy. Thanks. Hi Mary, what are you doing?
I'm making a brick.
Oh, you're gonna make a snow fort.
Yeah.
It's amazing. There's a lot of snow out there, huh? You're making your own tobogganing hill?
Yeah.
That'll work. For hot chocolate.
But if you need more cold water, it's too hot.
Nice. Good job. Good job. Was it fun playing outside? Was it fun playing outside?
Yes.
Should we do that more often?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is all you'll need to make your polymer clay wrapped cutlery. I have purple, blue, yellow, and green Fimo. You can choose any color you like. Here's a smaller fork and spoon, and here's a larger one. For this polymer baked clay project, we're gonna choose Fimo, and you can choose 2 or 3 colors to make a marbled effect. But Fimo's the go-to brand. I'm at Desir's, and they also have this brand is newer, also bakes just as well. A lot of color choices. I'm going to go for a marbled effect. I picked purple and green, and I've twisted them together, and I'm going to roll it as flat as I can, as thin as possible. 1/8 inch is ideal. Okay, and I need 3 long strips that I can wrap around the handle. Now, so I've rolled out my 3 or 4 large pieces. I have a small plastic knife. I'm going to use to cut those into strips. And I'm going to wrap them along the handle of the fork, and you want to make it as smooth as possible. Don't leave any air trapped in between, and smooth out any seams, okay? Really take the time to smooth it out so you don't see the lines anymore. Here, this one needs a little bit more work. I'm going to take some time to smooth it out, and you want to cover all the metal. Now, if you find that it's breaking off because there's air there, you can always just start over. Just re-roll your strips and start over. But there, you see? I need to cover that metal. Okay. You'll see. It'll all work out. Okay, I think I'm done. I might have over-mixed this one a bit because I had to re-roll it. But let's go see what everyone else is doing. Okay, I'm ready to bake. 230 Fahrenheit. It's a very low temperature. I have the utensils nested inside a bowl with a cap, or you can use another bowl. Make sure that they're bakeable. That way it doesn't touch anything while they're baking. So we'll put this in for 25 minutes. Here we go. Wow, these turned out really well. I really like them. So after baking, they do have a matte finish and they're very sturdy. They feel very hard, and yeah, I'm really impressed. If you want to have a shinier finish, you can add a coat of varnish or just leave it matte like that. Turn out today. All the units, all the bags and ditty bags. You can trade with someone if you really want to, but that's what you got, okay? Let's see. These people got rice and beans, okay? Okay. It's all right. It's okay, it's okay. I'm just putting your food.
You just went by one right there.
Someone got a big plate. All right. Causes of food insecurity.